Today we will discuss about reciprocating pump, what is the working of reciprocating pump and what is the function of reciprocating pump we will discuss today. Firstly, we will discuss about the parts of the reciprocating pump. There will be a cylinder and in which a piston rod and a piston. This is a cylinder, this is a piston rod and this is a piston for reciprocating pump. If we see the whole diagram in the wireframe, then this will be look like this. In this is the piston rod, this is cylinder and this is piston. These are the parts of the reciprocating pump. Now see the diagram of the reciprocating pump working. There is intake pipe. This is the intake pipe which will withdraw water from the container and discharge from this pipe. This is discharge pipe. This is cylinder. This is piston and this is piston rod. These all are the parts of the reciprocating pump. There is a container in which some water is placed for the working of reciprocating pump, and there is a crankshaft which will rotate and move the piston backward and forward. Now see the working of the reciprocating pump. This is a crank. Now what will happen? There are two valves, inlet valve and outlet valve. This is intake valve and outlet valve. What will happen? The crank will rotate at 90 degree. The crank will rotate from 0 degree to 90 degree. What will happen? Piston will move from this side to this side, and this valve will open and water will discharge from this pipe. See the animation. The valve will open and the water will go upwards in the cylinder. This is the piston movement. This is the piston movement from left to right. And now next step is crank will rotate 90 to 180 degree. Crank will rotate from 90 to 180 degree. What will happen? Piston from half side go to the right side, full cylinder, and what will happen? The water will fill in the cylinder. The water will fill in the cylinder. Now the next step is the discharge valve will be open. This valve will be open. Piston movement. This was the piston movement from left to right. This will cover the whole cylinder at 180 degree. Now crank will move from 180 to 360 degree. What will happen? Piston will move from right to left side and the discharge valve is open. The whole water will be discharged through discharge pipe and the water will be discharged at the desired height. The piston will move from right to left and the water will go upward and the water will discharge at the desired height. So this will be the working of reciprocating pump. So thank you.